Hey friends, it's been a while. I've had my Bridgestone gravel bike for roughly a year now, and it's been a while since I've posted an update on it. The first thing I did when I got the bike was the 27-inch to 700C conversion, which gave me the clearance to get a 700 by 38C tire as well as fit a modern drivetrain. After that, I converted it to a 1x9 and installed some wide flared drop bars. In the last video I posted on it, I converted these clincher rims to tubeless with 700 by 38 gravel kinks. A lot has changed since then. Riding the Bridgestone gave me a taste of gravel riding, and I have fallen in love with it. But because I was spending so much time riding gravel, I took the plunge and ordered a Poseidon X to upgrade and build a capable, modern gravel bike. Due to that, the Bridgestone wasn't getting ridden nearly often enough. It took me several months to figure out what I wanted to do with it. I put road bars on it and made it a geared road bike for a while, but it still sat barely used. In an effort to reinvigorate my interest in riding this bike, I made a major change to it. That's right, I made it a single speed. I loved riding single speed mountain bikes, and I knew that I wanted to give single speed gravel riding a try. I've done a few test rides already on this conversion, and I've fallen in love with this bike all over again. The best way to reinvigorate your interest in a bike is to just make it a single speed. As you can see, a few things have changed besides the drivetrain. In order to use the old 38C tires, I had to have the wheels all the way back in the dropouts. But since I'm using the dropouts now to tension the chain, I had to switch to 35C tires instead. These tires aren't tubeless ready, so I'm just running tubes in them until I can afford some 35C gravel kinks for it. I was using these old 44cm road drop bars, but the shape was so outdated and uncomfortable, so I'm about to install these 42cm Ritchie VentureMax bars that I actually put on the Poseidon. So let's get these bars swapped and then we'll take it for a ride. Alright guys, I'm really happy with how this came out. I think it looks awesome. It's time for a little montage. First of all, happy holidays, everyone. It is a beautiful Christmas morning here in North Texas. It's about 60 degrees, so it's just the perfect weather. I'm out on the Bridgestone, and just look at that. Doesn't that just look so nice? I just love it. Let's get onto some gravel. All right, guys, that about sums it up. If you've got an old road bike like this, make it a gravel bike. You'll love it. All right, I'm headed this way. Y'all are headed that way to the subscribe button. See y'all next time.